on that topic of selling or partnerships, Smart was on such a huge path in those mid 2000s. Were there ever any, I guess, overtures or any kind of ideas to partner with one of the big tech giants? I know that in future years after you had left Smart, Google and Microsoft both came out with, again, their idea of what an interactive whiteboard should be. Was there ever any discussions about partnerships or collaborations?
Not with the giant companies like that at all. No. And you know what I would say as well? Companies like that maybe think that, they're better off going it alone, that they've got all the information, all the background, all the knowledge that they would need. And, it's possible that they would feel they would have a different course, a different direction. And if you look at both Microsoft and Google, you would see that their products are not targeted at education. They're primarily business focused products. So probably not the best fit there.